fly us. Because they're sealed against sound with foam cushioning. They have adjustable headbands for a strong steel. The sea approved the safety. They're trusted to protect our heads. And they have a built-in FM radio.